Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best RV air conditioner is probably one of the most crucial components for any RVer seeking comfort and a pleasant experience on the road, especially during hot summer months or in humid climates. Imagine being stuck in sweltering heat inside your recreational vehicle, unable to relax or sleep properly. A reliable AC unit transforms that discomfort into a cool, inviting sanctuary, allowing you to fully enjoy your adventures without being deterred by the weather. Choosing the right one ensures consistent cooling, efficient energy consumption, and quiet operation, making it a worthwhile investment for countless memorable trips. Number 5. RV AC Duct Air Grille Replacement. Is your RV's air conditioning grille worn out? This is the perfect replacement to restore its functionality and appearance. Designed as a direct replacement for the Ducted 3,104,928.019, this grille ensures a perfect fit. It comes with both the grille and a washable air filter pad. Its primary function is to effectively redirect air throughout your RV. It also serves to protect your air conditioning system from larger debris. Maintenance is a breeze. Simply rinse the grille and filter with water to remove dirt, and they are ready to be reused, saving you money. Regularly replacing your filter with this washable option helps maintain the efficiency and extends the lifespan of your RV's air conditioning unit. Installation is straightforward and requires no complex tools. You can easily replace your old or broken grille, saving you valuable time and effort. What we like. This grille is designed as a direct replacement for your worn-out RV air conditioner grille and filter. It comes with a washable filter pad for easy maintenance. If you're looking for a simple, functional upgrade that protects your AC unit and is easy to keep clean, this is a great choice. What people say. The Duo-Therm is a great product that works well and is easy to use. I love the design of the Duo-Therm, it is very sleek and modern. The features of the Duo-Therm are amazing, it has everything I need and more. Number 4. Tatuo RV AC Filter for Duo-Therm Air Conditioner. Keep your RV's air clean and fresh with this convenient 6-pack of AC filters. Always have a spare ready, ensuring hassle-free replacements and long-term protection for your interior air quality. These filters are engineered for a precise fit, measuring 14 by 7.5 inches. Installation is a breeze, no modifications needed, just slide it in for an instant upgrade to your air filtration. Crafted from premium foam, these filters effectively capture dust and pollen without restricting airflow. Enjoy optimal air circulation and fresher air in your living space. Unlike disposable filters, these are fully washable and reusable, reducing waste. Simply rinse, air dry, and reinstall for consistent filtration for months to come. By reducing dust and debris, these filters help keep your RV's interior surfaces clean and your AC unit running smoothly. Breathe easier and enjoy a more comfortable environment wherever you go. This pack provides long-term protection for your RV's air quality, making it a cost-effective choice for both frequent travelers and full-time RV dwellers. What we like. This pack provides 6 washable and reusable RV AC filters made from high PPI foam. If you're a frequent traveler or full-time RVer who wants to maintain excellent air quality without the constant expense of disposable filters, this cost-effective, long-term solution is ideal for you. What people say. The Duo-Therm is a great product that works as advertised. I love the design of the Duo-Therm, it is very sleek and modern. The functionality of Duo-Therm is amazing, it has so many features that make life easier. Number 3. Classic Accessories RV AC Cover, Size B. Are you looking for ways to safeguard your valuable RV? We offer a comprehensive selection of covers designed for various RV types, ensuring optimal protection. When not in use, this cover is designed for convenience. It folds down easily, making storage simple and hassle-free. Achieve a fast and secure fit every time. The draw cord along the bottom ensures it stays in place, providing reliable protection. This cover is specifically designed to fit Duo-Therm brisk air and quick cool units. You can be confident in its compatibility. Invest in the longevity of your RV. Our covers provide robust protection against the elements, keeping your investment in top condition. What we like. This AC cover is designed to protect your RV's air conditioning unit from the elements, helping to preserve your investment. It offers a fast and secure fit and folds easily for storage when not in use. If you want to shield your RV's AC from dust, debris, and weather when it's not running, this cover is a practical option. What people say. The Duo-Therm is a great product that works well. I love the design and functionality of the Duo-Therm. The Duo-Therm has many useful features that make it a great buy. Number 2. Duo-Therm RV AC temperature sensor. This is a direct OEM replacement for your RV's air conditioning temperature sensor. It's designed to accurately monitor your cabin's temperature for Ducted and Duo-Therm systems, meeting or exceeding original specifications. It offers broad compatibility with various Ducted and Duo-Therm RV air conditioner systems. This includes models controlled by CCC and CCC2 thermostat systems, ensuring a wide fit for many RVs. Built with high-quality components, it ensures accurate interior temperature monitoring even in demanding travel conditions. Each unit is rigorously tested for reliability and performance. Installation is straightforward as it's a direct drop-in replacement. It connects directly to your existing control systems, helping to resolve common issues like inaccurate readings or improper cooling. This part comes with responsive USA-based customer support and a 12-month warranty. You can be confident in its quality and performance for your RV repair needs. What we like. This is a direct replacement temperature sensor designed for accurate cabin temperature monitoring in your RV's air conditioning system. It's built for reliable performance and comes with a 12-month warranty. If you're experiencing issues with inaccurate temperature readings or inconsistent cooling, this sensor is an easy-to-install solution to restore proper function. What people say. The Duo-Therm is a great product that works well. I love the design and functionality of the Duo-Therm. The features and facts about the Duo-Therm are impressive. Number 1. Mission Automotive RV AC Filter MERV 6. Ensure a perfect fit for your Ducted Duo-Therm AC units. Simplify your RV maintenance with this essential accessory. Improve your RV's air quality with our high-performing air filter. It cleans the air thoroughly, ensuring a healthier environment for your travels. Our filter efficiently captures dirt and debris, outperforming standard filters. This helps maintain your AC's performance and longevity. Replace your filter every 3 months or annually with this convenient 2-pack. Stay prepared for all your RV adventures. Support American manufacturing with our durable filters. They offer long-lasting performance for all your RV air conditioning needs. What we like. This RV AC filter is MERV 6 rated for efficient particle capture, helping to purify your RV's air and maintain AC performance. It's a convenient 2-pack, proudly made in the USA from durable foam. If you're looking for a reliable filter that enhances your RV's air quality and supports the longevity of your AC unit, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Duo-Therm is a great product that works well. I love the design of the Duo-Therm, it is very sleek and modern. The Duo-Therm has a lot of great features that make it easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.